Moving in Blender is pretty straightforward, but it is a bit different than some of the other programs we've worked with. So with Blender, it's really useful to have a 3-button mouse, where you have the left button, you have the right button, and then you also have the scroll wheel in the middle, which you can click as well. And this is important for movement because it's actually the middle button that lets us manipulate the viewpoint. So right now I'm pressing down on the middle button and just dragging around. You can also press shift and move with the middle button in order to pan back and forth. And you can set up in your preferences to be able to recenter your view into the currently selected object. Now, this isn't the only way that we can move stuff around in Blender. We can also use this widget up here in the top right hand corner. We can click on one of the axes in order to snap to that viewpoint in orthographic view so that we can compare the exact size of different objects. And we can also manipulate the widget and rotate it around in order to get to different viewpoints, which can be helpful especially if you're using a mouse that doesn't have that middle button or if you have to use a trackpad. As well, you've got a couple of different hotkeys that you can use if they're enabled on the program that you're working with. So you can press number 1 in order to set it so that you've got a front view. You can press number 3 to get the right view, and you can press number 7 to get the back or to get the top view. You can also alternate down to the bottom of each of those, or to the back side of each of those, by pressing Command and then that particular button. So Command 1 gives us the back view, Command 3 gives us the left, Command 7 gives us the bottom. On top of that, you can also use the other numbers to rotate a set amount, just rotating around a particular axis. So right now I'm rotating around the x-axis with number 2. Number 4 will rotate us around the z-axis, and then number 8 will put us onto that diagonal.